start recording. Few minutes I check recording. Okay now. โอเควันนี้วันที่18เดือนมิถุนายน2569วันนี้วันพฤหัสบดี Today is Thursday the 18th of June 2026 okay now we are learning Thai language okay we start here
Yes
number 2
Yeah
2แบบ2ฝึกอ่าน
2ฝึกอ่าน
ฝึก mean practice อ่าน mean reading ฝึกอ่าน practice reading okay
Yes
2.1 2.1 2.1 คำที่ใช้อิสระอิ vowel อิคำที่ใช้สระอิมีตัวสะกดตัวสะกด mean the last consonant we say ตัวสะกด understand ติดตัวสะกด ตัวสะกด is last consonant we say ตัวสะกด okay consonant that come later we say ตัวสะกด okay คำที่ใช้สระอิมีตัวสะกด okay next what is kid you know kid kid sing you sing
Yes
you have idea sing
Yes
sing kid sing ผมคิด
Yes
คุณคิด ฉันคิด เขาคิด kid mean sing okay nextปิด mean close turn off you turn off you close okay we say ปิด turn off or close ปิดประตู close the door ปิดหน้าต่าง close the window okay ปิดไฟ turn off the light okay ปิด opposite เปิด mean open turn on okay
Yes
ปิด next hit is you know scaby
No I don't know what is that
scaby or scabby S C A B I E S again S C A B I E S
I don't know
you don't know it's you know something happen on your skin
Skin disease
I think I check for you
Okay
Head
English scabby he says scabby I check for you scabby yeah scabby yeah we say scabies sorry scabies you hear
Yes I hear
scabies is something you know something happen on your skin itchy
Yes
say hit scabies English says scabies
Okay.
Scabies. Scabies. Okay.
Mm.
On the skin. Something. Some disease on the skin. Okay.
Mm.
Head.
Mm.
Scabies. Scabies. Okay. Next. Again. Go
Lip.
back. Go back. Kid. Kid.
Kid.
Pit.
Pit.
Head. Kid. Pit.
Kid.
Pit.
Pit.
Head. You say. You say.
Kid.
Yeah.
Pit. Head.
Okay.
Head.
Mm. Again.
Kid.
Mm.
Pit.
Mm.
Head.
Mm. Kid. Pit. Head. Kid. You think pit close or turn off. Head. Scabies. Okay. Neck.
Mm.
Neck.
Rib.
Rib.
Ribroid. Finish.
Rib. You know.
Rib.
Confiscate. Rib. Confiscate.
Okay.
You know confiscate.
Yes,
Example,
sir.
if you do something against the law or illegal, the police come and take everything. You say rip.
Hmm.
English we say confiscate, right? Confiscate. Rip, confiscate. Okay, I check for you. Confiscate. Confiscate. Con confis confis confiscate. 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 A few minutes I check to make sure. Confiscate. Wrong spelling. Confiscate. Okay, sure. But yeah, you will say confiscate. Yeah, confiscate.
Confiscate. Confiscate.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Confiscate.
Confiscate. Rip, rip.
What the spelling, Chan?
Huh?
What
Spell?
the spelling?
Spelling CON
Hmm.
FIS
Hmm. Hmm.
CATE.
Okay, Chan.
Confiscate. Confiscate.
Okay.
Confiscate. Confiscate. Rip. Okay, confiscate. Next.
Hmm.
Chip.
Jib.
Chip.
Jib.
Chip. You drink something, you drink some water a little. We say chip. Chip. Chip.
Drink a little.
Yeah, drink a little with chip. Yeah. How we say in English? You
Take a sip.
yes, sip. SIP chip. Oh, sorry, sip. You taste or you drink.
Yes.
English say sip. 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 Chip. Example. Sonia จิบชา Sonia จิบกาแฟ Sonia จิบน้ำ จิบ is you drink a little.
Hmm. Take a sip.
Take a sip. Yeah, take a sip. SIP. Take a sip. Yeah, จิบ Okay. Next.
Hmm. Sip.
Number 10. Sip. Number 10. Number 10. Sip. Next.
Hmm. Next is um
Chin.
chin.
You get you to. You get you to say chin. Get you to. Chin mean get you to. Example. You get up early every day. You get up early every day. You get you to get up early every day. Okay? Say chin.
Hmm.
Chin. Another example. Uh, you like to drink coffee every morning. You need to drink coffee every day. Okay. Chin. Get used to or be used to. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Hmm. Yes, Achan.
Next.
Bin.
Bin. You know bin.
Bin I know, but
Bin mean fly. Fly. The
fry
bird
bin.
can fly.
Yes,
Bird is
bin.
no bin. Bird
Hmm.
fly. Bin. Okay. Fly. You know Fly.
Yeah.
Fly. Fly. The bird can fly.
Hmm.
But the cat cannot fly. Like that. Bin.
Yeah.
Bin. Bin.
Airplane can fly.
Yeah,
That's
airplane can
why
fly.
they come bin.
Okay. Next. Pin.
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 Yeah, pin. You know pin?
No, Achan.
Pin. English say turn to. Turn to. Pin mean turn to.
Example.
Yeah. Example. Turn to. Example. You sit by the river. You sit near the river. You uh you know how we say. Mm, how we
I don't
say.
know, Achan.
Check for you. Pin. Oh, wrong spelling. Sorry. Pin for you. Pin. Pin for you. No pin. To make correct. Oh, pin here meaning turn to. Yeah, turn to. Turn to. Example, you sit by the river. You know, you turn your face to the river. That we say pin. Okay? Turn. Pin mean turn.
Not turn to.
Turn to.
Turn to.
Yeah. Example, you sit near the river. You sit by the river. You sit near the bank of river and you turn your face to the river. Like that. Say pin. Okay? Pin mean turn to. Okay? Turn to.
Oh,
We don't use very often this word. Old language, very old. Very old language. Pin. Okay. Go back to start again to make sure.
kid.
Kid,
Pig.
pit,
Hit.
hit,
Rib.
rip,
Jib.
jib,
Sip.
sip,
Chin.
chin,
Bin.
bin,
Pin.
pin. Pin mean turn to.
Turn
Bin,
to.
fry. Chin, get used to. Sip, number 10. Jib, take a sip or sip. Rip, confiscate. Hit, scabies. Pit, close. Kid, thing. Okay?
Yes, Achan.
I speak English, you say Thai, okay?
Okay, Achan.
Thing,
Kid.
close,
Pig.
scabies,
Hit.
confiscate,
Rib.
take a sip,
Jib.
10,
Sip.
get used to,
Chin.
chin,
Chin.
chin,
Chin.
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 Yeah, chin, tone important. Bin, oh,
Bin.
sorry,
Fly.
fry.
Bin.
Yeah, turn to pin okay good very good okay I review for you revise คิดปิด hit rip จิบสิบชินบินผินคิด think ปิด close hit scabies rip confiscate จิบ take a sip sip 10 chin get used to บิน fly ผิน turn to okay your turn you say again show me
pit hit rib jib zip pin bin pin
ผิน okay good very good 2.2 2.2 2.2 คำที่ใช้สระอีที่มีตัวสะกดคำที่ใช้สระอี this is a vowel สระอีมีตัวสะกด you see you know you see สระอี here สระอี okay next go meat knife you know knife to cut something cut some vegetable knife K N I F E knife meat โซเนียมีมีดไหม
โซเนียมีข้าว
มีเอาไว้ทำอะไร what for
cut fruit vegetable cut ผลไม้ cut ผัก
และ what else
อาจารย์โซเนียไม่ don't kill anybody นะ
you protect yourself
oh yes I protect myself
yeah protect yourself okay good for you yeah meat yes next
key
no deed
oh deed
ดอเด็ก deed tone important deed yeah deed mean you know when you play some musical equipment deed you play you flick you know flick spell
no
L I C K flick
okay
L I C K flick okay we can say play you play musical equipment okay
so deed
you know
means
guitar
yes sir
guitar you can play guitar that deed okay we say flick or also flip you play guitar like that
meaning play musical equipment instrument
yeah I think yeah flick or play a musical instrument okay next key mean underline you know in underline it's a key underline key yeah or you scratch you know scratch key okay scratch S C R A T C H scratch we say key okay scratch or you underline okay underline or you scratch key next leave you are in a hurry you hurry up reap ผมรีบ I am in a hurry up I hurry up you say reap okay no time go reap okay
Yes.
I am in a hurry. Reap, reap. Okay. Next.
Beep.
Beep, beep is like you squish the lemon. You know.
Squeeze the
Squeeze,
lemon.
squeeze,
Squeeze.
squeeze. SQUEEZE, squeeze. You know, when you make some food, you need lemon. You squeeze the lemon, right?
Yes.
Beep, squeeze. Example, squeeze the uh, lemon. Okay. Beep, beep.
Beep.
Yeah, beep, beep. Next, next.
Heap.
Heap, you say. Heap,
Heaps.
heap.
Heap.
Yeah, heap.
Heap.
Heap mean the box. The box. You know box? Usually made of wood. Wooden box. Usually. Heap, okay?
Mm.
Old fashioned wooden box. We say heap. Okay, heap. Box.
Mm.
Meat. Deed. Kid. Reap. Beep. Heap. Meat. Deed. Kid. Reap. Beep. Heap. Meat.
Me.
Deed.
Keep.
Kid.
Keep.
Reap.
Reap.
Beep.
Beep.
Heap.
Heap.
You say. Your turn.
Me.
Okay.
Did.
Mm,
Keep.
mm,
Reap.
mm,
Beep.
mm,
Heap.
mm. Okay.
Next.
Next. Keem.
Team.
Keem.
Team.
Keem. You know,
Team.
when you work, you need keem. Keem mean the tune. In English, I think uh, pious. I think. Yeah, okay, I check for you. Pious. Okay, keem. Come. Yeah, pious. You know pious.
Mm.
Pious. PLIERSE. PLIERS. We say priors. Priors. You
P
know?
L I E R. Pliers.
E. Pri
Pliers.
RS. Yeah. Is priors. Priors. The tool for worker. The tool
Yes.
for smith man. We say Keem. 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 Priors. Next. Yeah.
Jean.
You know จีนประเทศจีน China
Yes.
คน
China.
จีน Chinese ประเทศจีน China คนจีน Chinese people okay next
And Chan.
ฮะ
Cho.
ชอชิง
Cho Ching. Kokai.
yeah
Chink.
ชีก
Chink.
no long sound ชีก
Cheek.
ชีก
Cheek.
ชีก mean rib RIP rib
Rib.
cheek mean if you talk about paper you tear the paper tear
Yes.
tear the paper you cut the paper cheek yeah but
Yes.
sometimes you mean rip 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 we use for the paper RIP rip or you tear the paper we say cheek okay cheek
Cheek.
rip or tear the paper Jean Chinese or China Kim priors okay you say start at
Meat.
meat
Did. Kid.
mm,
rib, beef, heap,
อืม
him, jean, cheek,
cheek again you say again
meat,
meat
meat,
meat
meat,
meat the night
meat,
the night
then I,
yes
deed,
deed
deed,
yeah. to pray or freak play musical is equipment okay
kid,
kid scratch or underline kid scratch or underline kid next
reap,
leave leave
reap,
leave
Leave.
hurry
beep,
beep squeeze example
Yeah.
squeeze the lemon
yes, heap,
heap wooden box
yes, Kim,
pliers
jean,
China or Chinese
cheek,
cheek or tear the paper or rip 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 or tear the paper okay again do again meat
meat,
deed
deed,
kid
kid,
reap
reap,
beep
beep,
beep
beep,
heap
heap,
Kim jean cheek
cheek,
okay you remember
Okay. Yes, sir.
if you study much you not remember I want you to review okay after 10 minutes you review I upload video because tone important sometimes
Yes.
your tone is wrong people misunderstand okay
Okay.
see you call it a day
Yes.
okay yeah tomorrow see you
Yes, sir.
okay